Hey everyone! Puka Snow Crochet is back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to crochet another beautiful 3D flower coaster. Let's crochet together. First, make a magic ring. Chain 3. Work 1 double crochet into the magic ring. Now, pull the magic ring closed and join with a slip stitch to the top of the first double crochet. Round 2, chain 1 to begin. And in the same stitch where you just chained, work 1 single crochet. Then, chain 2. Skip 1 stitch, and then work 1 single crochet in the next stitch. Chain 2. Repeat the sequence. 1 single crochet, chain 2, skip 1 stitch, and then work 1 single crochet in the next stitch. Continue this to the end of the round. Slip stitch to the first single crochet to join. Moving on to round 3, I'll be using brown yarn. Insert your hook into the chain 2 space from the previous round. Chain 3. Work 5 double crochet stitches into this space. Continue to the next chain 2 space and work 5 double crochet stitches into it. At this point, we'll join the round with a slip stitch. For round 4, we're going to switch to white yarn. Insert your hook into the first stitch of any of the 5 double crochet clusters. Chain 1. Next, we're going to work a treble crochet or triple crochet into the stitch of round 1. Next, work 5 single crochet stitches. Next, work another treble crochet or triple crochet into the same stitch as the previous treble crochet, creating a V shape. And now, we're going to work another treble crochet into a stitch of round 1 below and towards the front, positioning it in the middle of the next 5 double crochet cluster. Now, work 4 single crochet stitches. Then, work another treble crochet into the same stitch. Now, we're going to work 1 single crochet behind the base of this V-shaped cluster. Then, work 4 regular single crochet stitches. One treble crochet in the same stitch. Repeat this process until the end of the round. Still join with a slip stitch. For round 5, I'll be using light pink yarn. Insert your hook into the top of the V shape. Chain 3. Work 5 double crochet stitches into the same stitch as your starting chain. Chain 1. Skip 2 stitches. Work 1 single crochet in the next stitch. As you crochet, you can work over your yarn tails to weave them in as you go. Chain 1. Next, work 5 double crochet stitches into the top of the V shape. Chain 1. Skip 2 stitches. Work 1 single crochet in the next stitch. Chain 1. Skip 2 stitches. Repeat this all the way to the end of the round. At the end of the round, we'll still join with a slip stitch. Now, I'm going to switch to a darker pink yarn to continue crocheting. For round 6, we're going to insert our hook into the first double crochet of the previous 5 double crochet cluster. Chain 3. Chain 3, then work 2 double crochet stitches into the same stitch. Continue to repeat. Work 2 double crochet stitches together. In the middle, work 1 double crochet. Continue to work 2 double crochet stitches together in the same stitch. Repeat this 2 times. Work 1 single crochet in the next stitch. Continue to repeat the same pattern until the end of the round. Once you finish crocheting this round, you should have 8 petals. Now for round 7, I'll be using white yarn to edge the petals. Insert your hook into the first stitch of the cluster. Chain 1. Work 1 extended double crochet down into the stitch of round 4. Continue to repeat that extended double crochet in the next stitch, skipping 1 stitch in between. These 2 double crochets will form a V shape. Next, work 9 single crochet. Then repeat. Work 2 double crochet stitches together in the same stitch to form a V. Okay, so now we're going to make 9 single crochets. At the end, join with a slip stitch. Thank you so much for watching today's crochet project. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more cute crochet tutorials every week. See you in the next video. Happy crocheting!